Good morning, my name is Marella and welcome to my How to Do It series. Today we're looking at power pose. Power pose is a pose that is quite difficult in its classical form, and it may be you may never manage the full classical form of it where your thighs are parallel to the floor. It also depends when and where you've come to yoga in your life. If you come to yoga late in your life, as I have, you will see that my thighs are not parallel to the floor because I cannot manage it without an enormous bend in my lower back. But theoretically, we're looking for our thighs parallel to the floor. So stand with your feet hip width apart, inhale your arms up. Palms opposite each other, bend your knees, lower your hips and lower down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. As you can see, I've quite a bend in my lower back. So what you do is you press your tailbone down and you sit back. Look straight ahead. Straighten arms and relax your breathing. Inhale, press down, stand up and step your feet together. And that's how you do power pose, Utkatasana. If you like this video, give me a like, a comment, or even subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks a million for watching. See you on the mat.